Jeez. Look at that. Yes, lad. Right, so yeah, boys, I've had a stinker. Basically, we've just moved house, so I was waiting for all my tools to come. My tools, they're my dad's. We had them in storage, so we had to bring them here. Now everything's here, everything's well. Not that you care, but I'm just giving you some context. So now I've got my tools, I thought I'll ring up insurance. As you can tell from the title, I'm doing a coilover install onto the Clio, making it low. So I thought I'll let them know, because obviously I do everything proper, I do everything by the book. I don't want to mess about with insurance, because at the end of the day, no insurance, no driving. So it's better to do everything official, I think. I'm not one of them who doesn't declare mods. Bloody hell, man. Yeah. I inquired this morning, and they said we don't insure lower than 5 centimeters. So at the moment it's a 40mm drop, it's a 4 centimeter drop. If I do any more than 5, they don't insure it. So there's no point in having coilovers and just going 1 centimeter more down. So I'm forced to send them back. It's not clickbait, but it is. You were expecting a coilover install, but this is how it went. This is how it went. But I wanted to tell you, I wanted to come clean, because if you watch the channel, you know, I'll tell you everything. If it goes right, if it goes wrong, you see it from start to finish, which means you get to see stuff like this. It just goes completely wrong. But yeah, in a previous video, I said there is big things coming, and that hasn't changed at all. Just because the car's not going to be sat on the floor. If anything, that's a positive. It gives me more money to put into more stuff. So it's not ideal. But if I didn't make this video, you would be none the wiser. So again, I don't have to, but I thought I'll come clean. The Clio to the side, I've got a lot of videos planned. Obviously now I've got the tools again, I can start to do stuff. I am actually in the process of making a new French car club, or a French brand, I guess you could call it, but you'll hear about that more in the future. Just stay tuned to my Instagram in the description. Yeah, you can see here, kind of, door cards. You can't even tell. If you know what you're looking at, suede, come on now. But yeah, end of this video. I'm not gonna drag it on anymore. It could have been, listen, if you know me, you know I'm never gonna sell this car. So it will happen one day, just not yet, which is fine. What's the rush? I'm still young, I'm still enjoying the car. There's a lot more content to come, so it's lowered. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I am crying on the inside. If you know me, you know I'm never gonna sell this car, so it will get done at some point. So it's a bit ironic, but please subscribe. Oh no, please subscribe, because I don't actually know why. If this is the first time you're watching this video, watching one of my videos, and I've just said I can't do a mod, it's not a good look for me, is it? But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. Is that a thing? No, I am sorry, but again, you wouldn't be none the wiser. It will happen soon. I do intend to get other cars along the way as well, so there'll be more modifications. So make sure you are subscribed. Like, all jokes aside, like everything goes on my channel, from like a little bulb to like rims to possibly coilovers, what could have been. Like, I think you understand. So yeah, make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you do everything official as well with insurance. It's not worth messing about. Pay a bit more and make sure you're fully covered. Hopefully I will see you in another one. Don't leave me.